My name is Kiana Hall and I'm a medical laboratory technologist here at the Faculty of Medical Sciences. In the lab, we are showing you some of the examples of the models, the clinical skills apparatus that our students have here within the faculty. Now, all these resources are available for our students to use as they go through their preclinical and clinical phase here at the Faculty of Medical Sciences. On display here for you, some examples of blood pressure, suturing stations, we have our histology station, we have gram stain, clinical skills such as area management, catheterization, and phlebotomy. These are plasma models that are also used as part of the program. So here we have models that are used in respiratory, in the cardiovascular system, or the locomotor system, and also for the central nervous system. So in the preclinical phase, our students are introduced to clinical skills that they will experience when they go down to our Warren Clinical Skills Building. So here in this room, we have the example of the doll that is used for area management. Our students are exposed to the use of the ampubag, the LMAs, and also the insertion of these into the doll.
This is the model for the area portion of the basic life support by valve mass and the various portion of it. So this is the face mass, which sits here like this. So this top portion here goes over the nose like this.
Catheterization is actually taught at the clinical site. However, our students are exposed to these during the preclinical phase, but it's done more in depth when they get to the clinical site. So here we have an example of the catheterization of a female. So this is just a model, and the students actually have access to the various instruments and the apparatus. In third year, our students are taught how to go about taking blood, the process of phlebotomy, and here we have models that our students then use in terms of how to go about knowing the correct technique for taking blood. These are all available to our students to use during their time here with us to make sure that they are as proficient as possible when they go down to the hospital.